Sig Heil?
Okay. Now, we do.
Sorry, I do not speak German.
Yeah, that's fine, but we don't want someone who say Sieg Heil or something else like that. And we are in a prism, not a fansum. And we don't want you here, please. Okay?
Why
See
not,
ya
though?
and bye-bye.
Why don't you want me here? I'm a cool cat.
And bye-bye.
I'm guessing the Sim's lagging or something.
No.
I'm not even on your car.
Yeah, you are. You're good.
No, I'm not.
Dude, are you being serious right now?
What do you mean, am I being serious?
No, he's not fucking being serious. He's a fucking troll.
I just stood up. It should have gotten off.
Hang on, we'll just get him ejected. Cause he has nothing better to fucking do.
Hey there, baby. You look quite sexy in that race suit.
Oh, you're a fucking asshole.
How am I an asshole?
Just mute him.
Let's block him. And report him.
How am I an asshole?
Get the fuck off my car, asshole.
I'm not even on your car, dude.
Hang on.
Yeah, you are.
No.
You know you are. You're fucking...
What am I doing? What am I doing?
What do you mean, what are you doing?
I'm not doing anything.
You're being an ass.
I'm not an ass. An ass is where your poop comes out. How am
And
I?
you're talking to my wife and shit. You're a fucking asshole.
I just wanted to fuck your wife, dude.
Bye.
What do you mean by? I just wanted to have a threesome with your wife, dude.
So we even on to do something about this.
That's what I'm trying to find here. Let's see.
Dude, you sound old as fuck.
Just fuck them with my car.
So, baby, where are you from? Where are you from, baby?
Did I res a fucking animal and fucking kill him?
That won't kill me. You can't kill me, dude. I'm a police officer. I'll shoot your dog. I'll shoot your dog, dude. Why don't they like being shot? I'm a police officer. I am allowed to use guns. Yes,
Yeah, no you're not. We're secure of this place. You're not allowed to.
I am law enforcement.
No you're not.
Yes, I am. I am
Your avatar is a law enforcement, but no, you're not yourself.
I am a law enforcement official.
Look, we're giving you one warning. If you keep on annoying everybody, you'll get kicked.
Why would you kick me? Then you'd be assaulting an officer.
We're security, we're allowed to. And you're not an officer.
Yes, I am. You can't kick an officer of the law. Why are you not in a good mood? I am allowed to use weapons. And
There's no real point, he's just coming back.
Why? But I'm quite enjoying it. I'm enjoying dancing up here. No. When I'm done, you can.
Where's Vinny?
Good question.
He's right here and
is
he
who?
just landed on my head.
Vinny Kirkuk?
Who's that?
What are you guys doing in here?
This happens to be their house? Who the hell are you?
I'm an officer of the law. Do you see my uniform? I am a police officer.
Why does that sound like Vinny?
That's not Benny.
I am a police officer.
Well, the police
Nice to
officer,
meet you, officer. You realize you're on
nobody
my
here
property?
hired you, so get off the sim.
No, I am law enforcement for this sim. Come back here.
Right. Seeing as how I'm the sheriff here, buddy. Good
No.
try, though.
No, I am the
Yeah,
sheriff.
good try.
Come back.
No, you are in my jurisdiction, pal. Wrong move, pal. Place your
He's
hands
landing
behind
on
your
me.
back. Place your hands
Will
behind
do,
your
buddy.
back.
Will do, buddy. Will do.
Anthony? Is that Anthony? Dad!
Because he's TPing to you.
I don't know you. Don't teleport to me.
Okay, if you don't.
Finish what you were saying, sir?
Go ahead, bro. Have a couple rounds of fun.
Finish what you were saying, sir?
Okay, you have 5 seconds to leave this land before I eject and.
That wasn't 5 seconds. That was like 0.1 seconds. Learn your math, dumbass.
You really want to push my buttons?
Oh, yeah, sure.
Goodbye.